Assalamu alaikum. Today we are making ground beef sambusa. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1½ cups of ground beef, 1/4 of an onion chopped, 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon of cilantro, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1½ tablespoons of water. I'm going to add a little oil to a pan and turn the stove on medium-high. Add the garlic and the onions and fry until golden brown. Now that the onions are tender, you want to add the ground beef, the cumin, salt, and crushed cilantro. Stir it well. There are many different recipes for sambusa. Some people add jalapeno and leeks. You want to stir this and continue cooking until the ground beef is brown and done. Now that the ground beef is just about done, you want to add your chili powder. Stir it well and make sure that the beef is fine. You want to just keep moving your spoon around to crush the beef to make it into fine pieces. Stir the chili powder all the way through. The meat is now done. We're going to make a paste to seal the sambusa with. So you want to add the water to the flour mixture and stir it well. You want to get all the lumps out. Once it's mixed well, it should be this consistency. This will be a good paste to seal the sambusa with. If you feel it's too thick, add a little more water. If it's too runny, add a little more flour. Ready to make the sambusa. Put a piece of wax paper down to help the dough from sticking. This is homemade dough that we used in an earlier video. You want to fold one side in, line it with some flour paste, fold the other side in to make it even, gently press to seal. You want to pick it up and open it up to make a nice cone shape. Make sure it opens all the way to the bottom. Fill it with some meat. Fold one side in. And line it with some more flour. Fold it over, seal the edges. The sambusa is now ready to fry. We're now ready to fry the sambusa. Drop it into hot oil and let it get golden brown on both sides. I recommend frying it as soon as you're done making it so the dough does not dry out. If you don't want to use a homemade dough, you can always get a large tortilla shell and cut it into 4 pieces. Now that it's golden brown, you want to drain it on a paper towel. Sambusa are ready to be served.